Okay, so layer masks. By clicking this button right here, this is Add Layer Mask. You can go between, you can select either the normal picture or the layer mask. When the normal picture is just selected, we can paint color onto our picture. When we click the layer mask, that entity is now selected. So we can only use black and white on a layer mask. If we choose red or something, it's just going to turn that color into a form of gray. When I click and paint black on my layer mask, look what happens. The black areas, I can see through the black areas onto the layer that's behind this layer. Scissors to cut out the area that you don't want. The white colors are just representing the area where you can only see the top layer. But you can also do the exact same thing with selections. And now I can fill this selection in with black or white on my layer mask. If you push Control Backspace, that will fill in this selection with the background color. And that happens to be black right now. If I pushed Alt Backspace, that would fill in this box with the foreground color, which happens to be white right now. That is how you fill in a selection with a layer mask paintbrush. Drop down box right here. These are called blending modes. You can combine this picture with the one underneath it. So for example, if I choose darken, that is going to make only the dark colors visible. If I choose multiply, it's going to be this pretty much, it's very similar to darken, but there's more kind of latitude. So let me just go through these so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. It's a better way of sort of fading in a picture with another one below it. So that is one cool thing you want to know. And the other thing that I wanted to show you is this opacity right here. If you lower this to 50% or whatever, that's the opacity. Basically just means the transparency of this current layer. So if this is at 50%, that means I can see this is only halfway showing, and everything behind this layer is going to be seen 50%. So that's it. That's how you work with layer masks and layers in general.